There's deer scat everywhere around here. Man, you'd hate to fall down there. It was completely worth it waking up so early this morning. I parked the car just down the road just at sunrise, which was around 6 o'clock. It was actually 5:45, so it was slightly before that. It's only 7:30 now. Oh, what a view from up here. Over there you have Nordic Lake. There's a little lake before it. You've got the Elliott Lake Golf Course. You've got this marshy area. It's a little bit chilly, and the beer's kind of fizzy after all the bouncing around it took. Yeah, it's a little bit coolish, and I got rained on very slightly on my way up here. Yesterday we did this with 6 people with the Courrier de Bois, and we walked along the creek. We went further up there, and then we came up a dirt road, and then it turned into this path. Now what I did was, walking along there, I saw some blaze heading up here, so I took it. It turned out the blaze was going to something to do with a mine, a big cement pillar type thing. But I just kept heading up, and it was okay until the last little part. I managed to come up between 2 of these big rock crests. I was breathing pretty hard when I got here, but the view is just spectacular from here. Yes, this is a beer. It's 7:27 in the morning. My aim was to get up here, somewhere around here, and actually sit and enjoy the view and have a beer. It's Sunday today, so coming from Saudi Arabia where there's no alcohol, it's nice to do this once in a while. I'm only having one beer. Until I get home, maybe. And I will take it very carefully on the way home. The hard part was getting up here. Now that I found the trail, and the trail goes down away from these cliff faces, and it actually comes out almost right behind where I parked the car. This is nice. This is pre-bug season. That's a sandhill crane. Way, way, way over there. I've got my camera on maximum zoom, and that's biggest I could get. I'm sure it's kind of fuzzy. Deer scat. Now all that deer scat I just showed you is within 5 meters of where I am. And the question is how many deer frequent this area, because considering the amount of shit that's here, it seems like either 1 or 2 are coming often, or there's also a number of them around here. But if you were a deer, what a beautiful place to be, because you're in the high country, you're on top of everything. And I don't think that many people get up here. Anyway, keep it a secret that there's deer around here. We don't want everybody to know now, do we? Now this spot here, when I came up with the group yesterday, we stopped here and had a snack. And the hike leader, look what he left behind. It's Amazon sitting pad. The darn litter bug. So I'll take it home. Next time I see him, I'll give it to him. Jean-Guy, shame. But then again, it could happen to any of us. You're not as young as you used to be. Time to hit the road. Well, it started to rain. Steady drizzle. I'm prepared though. I'm always prepared. If it gets any worse, I'll put on my rain pants, but I've already got the jacket, which I also use as a windbreaker on. Well, look at this. Here's another. Maybe I should have stopped here for my break. Ah, what another beautiful spot. And another beautiful lookout. This is a little bit slippery with this rain. Been there, done that. Well, that's the end of that. I'm at my car. I hope you enjoyed that. And until I see you again, take care now.